This is my smashed up BMW X2. It's been in an accident, the airbags went off, and now I'm trying to put it all back together. It's been a bit of a mission, but this is what I had to do to replace the driver's side curtain airbag. It's a quick video just to give you an overview. I hope you find some value in it, or just watch it for interest. But yeah, hope you enjoy, guys. This is the X2 that I've been slowly rebuilding, piece by piece. I've had to replace this airbag. It's pretty easy to do. There's a few clips along the way. If you use genuine BMW parts, then it's pretty easy. You just pop them out. There's a screw here. Plastic clips that actually come with the new airbag. You just push them in. Metal clips here, you push them in. There's a bit of a knack to getting them out. I presume a special tool would make it really easy, but I used a couple of screwdrivers and they pop out. When you push them back in, they just clip back into place. There's a little connector in the back here, and to get it undone, you pull the top part out carefully, and then the whole connector comes out. There's a couple of torque screws behind the igniter as well that you have to undo. Another clip, and a screw at the back. To get to the airbag, you've got to take all the trim panels off, and then the head lining out. I went out through the boot, which would probably crease it a little bit, but it was already creased because of the airbag coming down anyway, so I thought it didn't really matter. Here I am, putting the new airbag in. I started at the back and lifted it up into place. Actually, I started in the middle, put the igniter in, put the screws back in that, and then put the screw back in at the back, and then pushed the clips in along the way, and then moved into the front, did the same thing, and then the very front you stretched the cord out, and then put the screw right in the front. You need to double check that everything's put it back into its place and there's no spare clips. And then after that, you can put the wiring harness back in. Yeah, fairly simple really. It's just about following your steps and making sure that nothing is missed. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe and watch my other videos if you're interested. Cheers, see ya.